This is how you make pork and cabbage dumplings. Did you ever wonder what makes the perfect Chinese pork and cabbage dumpling so irresistible? In this video, I take you through the whole process of how you can make pork and cabbage dumplings from scratch at home. This is a complete guide and I will show you how to make the dough, filling, wraps and boil homemade dumplings. On top of that, I will show you how to make a quick dipping sauce. And here is how you make it. First, start with the dough. 300 grams of all-purpose flour, half of a teaspoon of salt. Mix flour and salt with chopsticks. Add 150 grams of water and start form the dough. The perfect ratio of ingredients is 2 parts flour and 1 part water. When the dough starts to form, use your hands to work out a rough dough. Cover it with a kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the dough to a rolling board and start kneading. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. You are looking for a smooth dough. This will take about 10 minutes of kneading. Place the smooth dough in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Second, filling for the dumplings. Pork shoulder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 crushed cloves of garlic, about 1 cup of diced green part of napa cabbage, diced white parts of 3 scallions, 1 teaspoon of salt, add half a teaspoon of pepper, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix all the filling with chopsticks. Keeping them slightly apart in a V shape will help you with mixing. Mix in one direction. During the mixing process, add some cold water. I added 4 tablespoons. That's the secret to juicy dumpling filling. Third, the dough has rested for 30 minutes, so let's make dumpling wrappers. Remove the dough to a rolling board. Sprinkle with a little flour. Make a hole in the middle of the dough and slowly enlarge it to make a circle. Cut the circle off in one place and you will get a roll. Continue rolling the roll, and when it is long enough, cut it in 2 equal parts. You need to make 30 equally sized pieces of dough, each weighing around 15 grams. This is the amount of dough for medium to large dumplings. It's best if you outline the pieces and then cut them. When you have the dough divided into 30 equal sized pieces, it's time to roll out the wrappers. Use the palm of your hand to press a piece of dough into a small pancake. Move the rolling pin forward and back to roll out the edges of pancake. It's best if the center of the wrapper is thicker and the edges thinner, as you won't get a large amount of dough without filling after closing the wrapper. Don't stress if you can't roll out a perfect circle. Fine-tune the wrapper with your fingers before filling. How to wrap a dumpling? Place the wrapper in the palm of your hand and put a large tablespoon of filling in the middle. Shape the filling into a ball with your fingers to make it easier to work with. Use the fingers of your right hand to fold the dough and the heel of your left hand to push the filling inside the dumpling. If you have made it this far, please let me know in the comments what you think I can do to improve my videos. Put the wrapped dumplings on a baking sheet or other surface. I recommend sprinkle the surface with a little flour to prevent the dumplings from sticking. prepare the dipping sauce. In a bowl mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, crushed 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of green parts of scallion, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now you are ready to cook the dumplings. Put water in the pot, salt it and bring it to a boil. If you don't have big pot, cook the dumplings in batches. You will need to stir the dumplings so they don't stick to the bottom or each other. Cook the dumplings until they start to float. The time depends on the size of the dumplings. It took me 10 to 12 minutes. When they start to flow, let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes because you used ground meat in the filling. Place the dumplings in your favorite bowl. Pour the sauce over them or dip the dumplings in the sauce and enjoy the taste of the Far East. If you are interested in Chinese cuisine, you can watch, for example, my video on how to cook stir-fried beef and onions. The link is in the end card or in the description below the video, where you can also find links to other videos that might inspire you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.